Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com, and we're here to let you know 3 big things that are going on over at fitnessblender.com right now. The first one of which is we have a sale going on FB Plus right now. It is 20% off. So if you want to give FB Plus a try, now is the time to do it. That includes year-long memberships and month-to-month memberships, as well as...
Gosh, we also have a new way to use FB Plus, and that is FB Plus passes, which are actually customizable links that you can choose yourself. You can get it as short as 1 day, 7 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, or 90 days. Yeah, 3 months.
You can stack them together, so you can get any combination of those as well.
Yeah. So they are both on sale, and also another really exciting thing happening right now coordinated with both of those things is that with either of those, if you have FB Plus, we also released a brand new 4-week program today that it's called FB Fit30. So it's a combination of FB30, which is 30-minute workouts a day, and FB Fit, which is roughly 45 minutes a day. So we've woven them into one. So every day you get to choose based on how you feel and what your schedule looks like. Do you have time and energy for 35 minutes or 45 minutes? So it's 2 in 1, and it takes care of everything you need. Warm up, workout, cool down. All you need is dumbbells with an optional step. But we always provide alternatives if you don't have that equipment.
Now, this program is an FB Plus exclusive. You cannot purchase this program. However, you can use it on Plus. So just like we were talking about with the passes, you can go grab a 30-day pass and go through and do this entire program. That includes every single one of our other challenges, FB Plus exclusive challenges and FB Plus exclusive programs as well.
So the reason why this is only available through FB Plus is because this entire program, for the first time ever in Fitness Blender history, this entire program is built out of workouts that are exclusive with FB Plus. So you can't get these workouts anywhere else. So not only will you be doing a different workout every day, but it's actually entirely different video library from what we have on YouTube.
Yeah, so if you're watching all of our YouTube videos and you've seen all of our YouTube videos, you haven't seen any of these workout videos yet. So you have to be a member of FB Plus to see those.
So the workouts in this program are led by the 2 of us. We are certified personal trainers. We have other certified personal trainers in the mix, and we also have some trainers who are doctors of physical therapy. So you'll be working out with all of us, the entire Fitness Blender team this time around, and main training types are strength training and HIIT, though of course we always work in everything from coordination to balance to fundamentals. There's Pilates, there's yoga. I mean, it's a very well-rounded, highly diverse program.
Yeah, Kelly does a great job of building these programs to be as effective as they can be.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You do a really good job.
Thanks.
But they're really, really all-encompassing as well. So even though they're primarily just for general purpose fitness, they also touch on a lot of things that most people wouldn't necessarily think to touch on, but are very, very important for everyday life, quality of life, as well as longevity of physical ability. And number 3, of course, is a interactive meal plan. So we've just launched our beta version of our interactive meal plan for everyone to use over on FB Plus. This is exclusive for FB Plus, and it is a fantastic 1-week trial to go look and see what's there, as well as give us feedback on things we might still need to polish up, but it is a great system so far.
Yeah, so it is built by a registered dietitian as well as a recipe developer. So this is very different from our other meal plans. We actually spent the last couple years compiling all of your feedback with our existing meal plans, and it's all implemented in this new system. So you actually get to decide whether you would like to use an intuitive approach or whether you would like to see everything from calories to macros. There's 2 different ways that you can do it. You can customize it to meet your needs, both your energy needs and how exactly you would like the information to be presented to you.
You can even do, if you just want to go try FB Plus out just for the meal plan, you can try one of the passes for just a week long just to do a single week of the meal plan.
Yeah, you can try the whole thing, really.
You can go through the whole thing if you want. Yeah.
And just like the challenges, we have been rolling out challenges, exclusive challenges on FB Plus for 2 years now. And the meal plans are going to roll out in a similar fashion. So we are going to continue to release meal plans of all different styles to cater to different needs and different tastes. And they're just like, they're all going to be included in FB Plus. So FB Plus is rapidly becoming this kind of one-stop, full access to just about everything we do.
And all of the extra that comes from FB Plus goes back towards making sure that all of the free content stays free and we're able to continue creating free content.
Yes. So FB Plus is actually what makes it all possible. So thank you if you are a part of FB Plus. Thank you, no matter how you work out with us in any capacity, thank you for being here. So if you are thinking about Plus right now, just know that we are doing about 5 new workout releases a week. We have meditations that are rolling out. We have expert articles. We have recipes. We have meal plans. We have 27 exclusive workout challenges and programs that are all included with FB Plus. There are innumerable features, site features. You basically have to try it for yourself to understand how much is there.
It would take us like a good half an hour to like scroll each one of these across the screen to show you what all is there, because there's so much. Everything from being able to take notes on individual recipes and individual workouts, being able to list them and reorder them in your own category of favorites. There's so many
build
different
your own
things.
Routines, build and save your own routines.
Yeah, I mean,
ads free, surprise me feature. Oh gosh, what else? It is just there's a lot. And if you don't want to use FB Plus and you like our free content, I still highly encourage you to go to the website, because like we said, FB Plus allows us to keep our workout videos, some of our workout videos, and some of our website content, our website features free. And what that means, there's actually a massive amount of stuff you can do for free. We have an online workout calendar where you can plan out your workouts, and you even get to mark them workout complete, which is really fun. There we have an advanced search tool on site that lets you search. We have over 630 free workouts now, and you can search by length, difficulty, equipment needed, training type, all kinds of stuff. So
yeah, I mean, just purely for the search functionality alone, which is all included in a free membership, it's by far worth it to watch our videos over on the fitnessblender.com as opposed to on YouTube. Just because of the way the extra information that's there, how they're sorted, it makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for, and you can schedule it out weeks, months, years in advance. And we have some members who have scheduled out years worth of workouts for themselves. So you just show up, click on what you have scheduled, and just jump right into it. So it makes it really, really nice and easy. You don't even have to like scroll through the lists and lists and lists that are over on
plus,
YouTube.
I mean, I don't know about you guys, but anytime I'm trying to get anything done on YouTube, it's like, a cat video. It's over.
Save yourself the distraction of losing out on a workout and just focus on just the workouts.
Yeah, kind
no
of
cat videos.
Tunnel vision, right?
Yeah.
There's a reason we make workouts for bored people, right? Short attention spans. So otherwise, the other thing on site that you're missing out on YouTube is the community. We have, I don't know how it happened exactly, but like the nicest group of people on the entire internet, I swear, just uncommonly helpful and encouraging and supportive.
And again, that's all part of a free membership as well. So just to wrap up, there's a sale going on right now on FB Plus and FB Plus passes. There is a brand new FB Fit30 program exclusive to FB Plus live right now. If you have
exclusive workout videos.
If you have an active Plus Pass or an active FB Plus account, it's already in your purchased content. You just
look
go
under
and add it.
My Programs page.
Yep. On your My Programs page, you can automatically just add it to your calendar. Same with the meal plan. The meal plan is already included with Plus as well, so you could add that to your calendar also. Is that everything?
Gosh, I think so. I hope so.
It's a lot. There's a lot there, and we hope you are all as excited about it as we are, because these are some really, really big changes over on Fitness Blender. We're hoping are going to help you all out in a number of different ways.
Thank you for working out with us. Thank you for being part of Fitness Blender. We will see you soon with some more new workouts. Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone. This is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com, and today we want to let you guys know that... Hello, everyone. This is Daniel from fitnessblender.com, here with my beautiful and intelligent and lovely wife, Kelly.
Oh my goodness.
And
What did you do?
20% off for the next probably 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Almost
well,
3 weeks.
we started early.
We're going to need to do the math and start the
Interactive meal plan that's just coming out that is a part of FB Plus.
Logue. Hey, what are you doing?
He doesn't move. He just
Hey,
stops.
can you say hello? Hello.
Oh, yay.
Hello. You're so
Oh.
good.
Hello, everyone. This is Daniel from Fitness.
Dip you.
Shut up and dip me.
Oh! What you got? What do you have?
It's a ball.
Can I see it? We're just gonna sit right here.
You want to do it too?
You can stay right here and. Oh my gosh. Hey, buddy. Don't drop the ball.
Uh-huh.
I'm all hairy now. Oh, my boy.
95-pound pooch. Actually, probably
He's
closer
just
like
a
120
tiny
now. He's
baby.
chunky.
He does.
He's
Don't
chunky.
talk about him like that. He knows too many English words to be able to.
He knows too many English words.
Actually, he knows a little Spanish.
No us. All right, Pooch Pooch, you want to go lay down? Can you go lay down for me?
He can just. You want to sit?
This is what I have to deal with every single time we do a vlog. It's like 45 minutes of just prepping the dog before we can start.
I think he's ready.
Pooch, you big Pooch, you big Pooch.